Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. If you're here for the first time, welcome. My name is Martina, and for my regular viewers, welcome back. So in my last video I showed you how to share a Google Docs document, right? And in this video today I'm going to show you how a comment could be added to that document or any document in Google Docs, right? So here we go. So here's my document that I sent to have edited, okay? So if the person wants to suggest that a certain edit be done, let's say they want me to review this particular paragraph, they will highlight the paragraph like this, and right away you'll see there's like a plus sign here, right? So you click on that and you just write a comment here. Okay, click on comment. That's one way you could do this, right? You could do the insert a comment 3 different ways, okay? So that is one comment there being inserted, right? One suggestion. And let's say I want to do another, insert another comment, but do it in a different way. So I highlight this. Well, you realize you have to highlight first, and I could right click, and you'll see the option here. You can insert a comment that way. The other way is highlight again, and let me just highlight that properly, and we go up into insert, and the option is here. So that's 3 ways you could insert the comment, right? So the comment is already here, okay? You'll see there's a resolve option here, and there's 3 buttons at the side here. If now after this document has been edited and stuff and suggestions has been made and I get back the document, now I could review what the person said. I could also delete this comment, going to click on the 3 buttons and click on delete, and the resolve is that after I have reviewed what the person suggested, I could have this paragraph not being highlighted anymore. So after having done reviewed the document, I could click on resolve. What will happen is you see the paragraph is no longer being highlighted. So that comment will remain in history. If I click up here, you can see all the suggestions being made here in this area here, right? If I had deleted the comment, it would not go into history anymore. It would be totally gone, okay? So the thing I want to show you is for the comments, you could style the comment. Let me just highlight something again. Let me just highlight NICS, Los Angeles. Let me highlight that properly. Los Angeles, click on the plus. Let me just right click, do something different. Right click, go into comment. Okay, so let's say the comment is okay, so that's my comment I want to make, but I want to put some style to my comment to make it stand out. So one thing we could do, there's 3 ways you could do it. You could add bold. So to do that, I'll put an asterisk in front of the A, press the shift and the 8, or you could use the asterisk on the number section of your keyboard and put the asterisk after the Y. Let me show you how that looks. Click on comment and it will bold that word, right? Let me just do another way. Go into edit. Let's say I want to italic these. Shift and we want to get the underscore. So shift and the underscore button before the T, and shift and the underscore after the E. There you go. So these is italic. So one more style I want to show you is to do a strike through. Let me just edit that comment. Click on edit. And I'm going to strike through the word text. So to do that, I'm just going to put the dash before the T and a dash after the last T. Click on save. Excellent. So that's how you could style your comment if you wish. You don't really have to do that, but if you want your comment to stand out maybe to the person who wrote the document, you could do that, but it's not really necessary, okay? So I think that's it for today, right? If you found this video very informative, this tutorial, please let me know. And if you'd like to see something else, leave a comment as well in the comment section below, and I'll be happy to facilitate you. If you enjoyed this video, click on the thumbs up button, leave a comment for me, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And don't forget to click on the bell next to the subscribe button. In doing so, you get a notification each time I upload a new video. Okay, thanks so much for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.